Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make resin glow in the dark. Wait, no, not yet. Don't turn off the lights. Turn them back on. Yeah. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is your resin already mixed up. I'm using a polyester resin here. And then you're also going to need some pigments and a powder pigment. I can't remember where I got mine from, it was quite a while ago, but I'll drop some links down below of where you can get some. I think it's called like a photoluminescent pigment. And this is what they look like in daytime. And this is what they look like in the dark. And I've got four colours, so I've got a greeny one, I think a bluish one, an orange one, and another kind of greeny one. And you just want to add a very small amount to the resin. A bit more, yeah, about that much. Obviously the more pigment you put in, the better of a glow you're going to get. But it is quite expensive, so just be careful. There we go. And it's a very similar process to when we pigmented resin with just colours. I'll leave a link above to that video. And then all we're going to do is just stir this powder pigment in until it's fully incorporated with the resin. And once it has, we can add it to our moulds and wait a few hours for it to set. Okay, and once you've waited for your resin to set, you'll have something that looks like this. Oh, I keep dropping them. So as you can see, they've got a slight pigment to them in daylight, but obviously they change during the night. Similar to this one's pink, but it's actually orange, so it glows orange in darkness. I just poured them into an ice cube tray, and I've got these little kind of squares just to show you. Super easy to use, but we'll go see them in the darkness so you can really get a good effect of what they look like. Okay, and this is what they look like in darkness. Sorry if it's a little bit echoey, I'm just in my bathroom. And it's very grainy, my camera's not the best in darkness, but you can see that it just gives off a really soft glow. And these will charge up during just natural light, but if you add a UV light to them, so if you add some UV to it, I've just got a little torch here, you get that extra glow from it, which is a nice little trick. And then you can really see the glow from it. So if it's in direct sunlight, you get like a really bright glow off them, but it's never going to be able to replace kind of your bedroom light or anything like that. It's just meant to give a very soft glow, but they're really cool to work with, and it's really nice to see them in nighttime, in darkness. And there you have them there. And you've got a green, a blue. Some pigments work better than others, like this one here. It doesn't work very well. It's supposed to glow purple, I think, or blue. But it's just carrying the green over. So some pigments work better than the others. The greens are always really good. They always work the best. I'm not sure why. Okay, and now you know how to make resin glow in the dark. You can obviously use these pigments for loads of other things. It doesn't just have to be with resin. You can use it with paint and anything else that you might have in mind, I'm not sure. I did create some larger sculptures with these glow pigments, which I'll put along here for you to see. I don't have them anymore, unfortunately. But they are a really nice material to work with, but they are quite expensive, so be careful. I don't think there's a kind of a budget range or anything, but I did get mine a couple of years ago, so the prices might have come down since then, I'm not sure. But I will drop some links down below of some similar ones that I've used in this video. And yeah, it's just an interesting little project that you can take on and do some fun things with. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you've used any kind of glow-in-the-dark stuff for any other projects, let me know down below in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because I upload once a week and you don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!